Power of attorney abuse is more common than you would think. Here is how to protect yourself. The key and absolute most important part is choosing someone you absolutely trust. Choose someone who you know beyond any shadow of a doubt would absolutely, uncompromisingly do what is best for you in any given circumstance. What other things can we do here to make sure that we're choosing the right person? One aspect is make sure they're financially stable, because if this person has their own financial struggles, it becomes more of a temptation to have access to your funds. If you can possibly choose someone that that's not an issue for, I highly recommend it. Next, we want somebody who is reasonably educated or willing to consult professionals, because if they understand what they are supposed to be doing, what the limitations are, exactly how they are supposed to be using and not using the power of attorney, what their fiduciary role means. It means that they are legally obligated to only do what is in your best interest. So if they are able to understand that, they're going to be able to act as your power of attorney with much better results and not accidentally abuse it. What can you do beyond choosing the right person? Put some limitations in the power of attorney. We can write in all sorts of limitations. We can say, are they allowed to give gifts? Are they not allowed to give gifts? Who are they allowed to give them to? Under what circumstances? What amounts? We can put all sorts of limitations. There are specific powers that we can choose that they not have, where you can initial that they can make changes to certain beneficiary designations, or we can leave that blank. So it can be incredibly important which limitations you put on the powers as well. Along with that, you can also insert the requirement that they show your books, as it were, make an accounting to some other person so that there is a second set of eyes on the situation. Someone who can say, hey, buying a boat did not, in fact, benefit this person in any way. And generally knowing that there is a second set of eyes on something does make people think a little harder before they act. So those are my best tips for making sure that you are avoiding the potential for power of attorney abuse, because power of attorney is such an important document and we do need them, and they need to be done ahead of time, because if you wait until you actually need one, it's too late. So if you need a power of attorney, have more questions about them, we'd love to talk to you. Thanks.